Hey everyone, we're going to be talking about top digital marketing trends going into 2024. These are some of the trends that you need to be aware of to stay ahead of the curve and reach your target audience. The first is hyper-personalization. Consumers expect a personalized experience from brands they interact with. They want to see content and offers that are tailored to their personal needs and interests. According to a study by Accenture, 91% of consumers are more likely to shop with brands that recognize, remember, and provide relevant offers and recommendations. Marketers can use artificial intelligence and machine learning to deliver personalized experiences. For example, AI can be used to analyze customer data to identify patterns. This information can then be used to create personalized content and offers for each customer. Some examples of how marketers can use AI and ML to deliver hyper-personalized experiences are making personalized product recommendations and personalized email marketing. Hyper-personalization offers benefits for both businesses and consumers. For businesses, hyper-personalization can lead to increased sales, customer loyalty, and brand engagement. For consumers, hyper-personalization provides a more relevant and engaging experience. The second trend is voice search optimization. Voice search is becoming more popular as more people use smart speakers and other voice-activated devices to search for information online. According to a recent study by Upsity, 50% of the US population uses voice searches daily. This means marketers need to optimize their content and websites for voice search. Examples are using long-tail keywords and natural language queries in your content. Also make sure that your website is mobile-friendly, as many voice search users are searching from their smartphones. Other ways to optimize include optimizing your website speed and using local search keywords. Benefits of VSO include reaching a new audience of potential customers and improving your awareness and website's ranking in search results. The third trend is video marketing. Video is a top engaging form of content, and it is becoming more popular as we spend more time watching videos on our phones and devices. According to a study by Cisco, video was to account for 82% of all internet traffic by 2022. Marketers should invest in creating high-quality video content that's relevant to their audience. This includes product videos or explainer videos that capture people's attention. Tips for creating effective video marketing include creating videos that are well-produced and engaging and promoting them on social media. Video marketing offers lots of benefits. It helps to increase brand awareness, generate leads, and drive sales. It also helps improve your site's SEO and increase engagement on social media. These are just a few top trends going into 2024. Focus on these trends to stay ahead of the curve and reach your target audience effectively.